It's time for a conceptual aside. Semantics and authoring. Big word alert. Semantic, having to do with meaning. This is my name in the document, but they're just words. I want to convey the meaning. The tag I choose is intended to convey a particular meaning. In this case, I'm trying to convey that what's between the tags is the name of something. Thus, this markup is semantic. It isn't just there to say, make it yellow or make it big. It has to do with describing the document conceptually. Now, even if I didn't write the name, when I add tags, I'm contributing to the authorship of the document. I'm authoring markup. Big word alert. Author. In this case, a verb, to author, to contribute to writing a document. When we author something, we're adding meaning, which means we're concerned with semantics. We're not just writing the contents, we're also making sure the contents are understood, and that's part of authoring. So when we add tags to a document, we're authoring a document. We're contributing to it, extending it, and helping it to be communicated accurately. So from now on, we'll refer to authoring HTML and to you as an HTML author.